This is the Baby Brezza baby food steamer and blender. So this helps you make baby food all in one machine. It's very nice. I'm going to walk you through the features right now. So first, this fits 4 cups worth of food. So if you want to make food for multiple children in your house at the same time, multiple babies or toddlers, you can. You can also make enough for additional portions so that you can save it for later. This way you don't have to use it every time you want to make baby food. So that's 4 cups. What's nice is this has various locking mechanisms and also some safety sensors on it. So this blender will not turn on unless this is perfectly lined up and in. You'll hear it click right now. There you go. So it clicked in. Then we have the water tank right here. So you can just take that out. You unscrew here, you fill up the water, and you're good to go. You also have the steam tank below that. So when you want to clean that out, you can just pop the cap off. You can clean that out so it doesn't get all gross and calcified. Sorry, I think that's the word. Pop that right into place, and there you go. So it doesn't take too much counter space. My favorite thing that nobody talks about online is the fact that it has suction cups on the bottom of it so that you don't have to worry about this moving when you're actually blending. So it doesn't shake around. When you're moving this left and right, it stays on the counter really solid, which is nice. And then we have the controls here. So we have steam, and blend with a timer setting. And then we can also just blend. So you can see super quick and responsive. It blends very quickly there. And then on here on the screen, so when I blend, it's telling me the blend time. I can set the steam for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes right there. I could do steam and blend. And then it will automatically start steaming. I don't have water in it right now, so I'm going to hit stop. But it would automatically start steaming. Then it would blend after 5 minutes of steaming. And then you have your food ready to go. So when you are trying to save time and make some baby food and not clean multiple machines, this is it. The Baby Brezza, it is for you. Highly recommend it.